Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XC. This is the big bore torque monster on a Scrambler. This thing is cool. It's got Brembo brakes, Olin shocks. Wait till you hear that open exhaust system. It's got a remote key fob, so it starts right up when you approach the bike. Beautiful condition. It's got a side stand. We're putting a brand new tire and front brakes on this one. 12,000 miles. Come on by and make your Scrambler 1200 dreams come true for only $89.99. That's about $2,000 below retail book price. Don't miss out. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.